Hello friends, Running Kimono. So here is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 26th to January the 1st. Some very good deals in this flyer, and we're just going to jog through them, and I'm going to try and make this a quick video because I know that a lot of you probably have a lot of Christmas plans. So the first thing we're going to talk about, and I know a lot of you love Gizmo, so a little dose of cuteness for you. There is a free promotion for a free 8x10 photo. Use the code FROSTY8x10 at checkout and then pick it up at your store until December the 25th. That is a free photo. The hours at Walgreens on Christmas Day, which is Saturday the 25th, probably limited, like 9 to 3 or something like that, but always check. Okay, so we have a new month starting on the 26th, so this will be the month of January. Along with it, we're going to have a new big book of savings, along with new promotions, so I cannot wait for that. And I believe in this weekend's newspaper, the January P&G should be popping up before you buy the paper at the newsstand or wherever you buy it. Please thumb through to ensure that your location has this insert. As per the Freebie Guys post on Instagram, on the 26th, we're going to see Christmas clearance hit 50. On the 7th of January, 70. And then tentatively on the 13th, 90. Last year, it only hit 80, so 90 would be really nice this year. Now, in case you missed it, I made a video last week about the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, and it's going to be starting on the 26th, where a whole mess of stuff will be 50 to 70 to even maybe 80 or 90% off. You want to check out this video if you are a Bath & Body Works fan. Tons of info. I'll link it at the very end. Okay, so this little gem was showing up last Wednesday in your digital coupons folder. Please make sure you have it loaded. More rules for this. It is of a one-time use booster. Yes, you can stack one digital and one paper. For the balance, use your credit card, debit card, or cash bills. Do not use Walgreens Cash or store register rewards. And if you wish to use manufacturer register rewards or manufacturer coupons, yes, that does in fact work with these boosters. Okay, and this also showed up too, so make sure you have it loaded. Buy 2 number 7 products, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. This is valid till February, so definitely load this guy. The first little deal we're going to look at is to buy 4 of these products. Charmin, Bounty, let's grab one of each. There's going to be quarter digital coupons starting on Sunday, and I think with the Tide there's going to be dollars, but we haven't seen the $1 or $2 digitals in a while. So let's throw in this specific booster with this deal, so make sure you have this guy loaded. We're going to grab 4 products. Make sure you grab at least one Bounty and one Charmin, and then a couple of Tides or whatever you want to grab for $20.96. We have our booster loaded, the 2 quarter digitals that are loadable on Sunday loaded. You're going to pay $20.46 with your debit card, get back $5 of Walgreens Cash for the booster, a $6 register reward, making it $9.46 for the 4 products, or $2.36 each. As we're using that booster, do not use Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to pay. The next little deal is this, $3.29, and when you purchase 3, you're going to get back a $3 register reward. If you might have one of these store coupon register rewards, let's throw this into the mix, shall we? Grabbing 3 of the Downy products for $9.87, subtracting a $5 store register reward, you would pay $4.87, get back a $3 register reward. That's called a little bit of awesome. If you want to use some Walgreens Cash to pay down your balance, abso-fruitly go for it. Okay, so this is one that has to be tested. This is one of those credit cards that you buy at the store for $1, with the $1.95 activation fee. I think the smallest you can go is $20, so that would be $21.95. If you want to pause here and read all the fine print, this one will definitely have to be tested. But I'm kind of thinking if you get this like MasterCard at the store put $20 on it, you'll have to pay that $1.95 processing, get back $10 of Walgreens Cash. It wouldn't be the worst deal. So we'll have to definitely test that out on Sunday morning. And no, you cannot use the booster with this or Walgreens Cash or a store register reward to pay it down. You have to pay that $21.95 with your debit, credit, or bills. The Irish Spring and Soft Soap, 3 for $10, and then when you buy 3, you get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. There's supposed to be a $1 digital, so I'm wondering will it be $1 off both or 1 off of each? We'll have to wait and see. And then we have this booster we're going to toss into the mix. Let's grab 6 or a combination of 6 body washes for $20. I'm going to say there's only going to be $1 digital. They did that last time. So have the booster loaded, 5 back when you spend $20, pay $19 with your debit card, get back $15 in Walgreens Cash, 10 for buying 6, and then 5 for the booster, making it 4 for the 6 or 66 cents each. Do not use your Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance for this one. Okay, now we're going to do a very quick BIC deal on their BOGO 50% off. So grabbing 2 of them, they're like $6 and some change. That's $10.18. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $6.18 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $2.18 for the 2. If you wish to use Walgreens Cash or register rewards, go for it. Just a quick little toothpaste deal. I'm hoping for some better digitals than just a 2 off, but if you have the Smart Source, they're supposed to be $2 coupons. So here's the breakdown for this. Grabbing 2 of the Colgates for $5.98, subtracting that digital, you'll pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back $2 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents each. Again, in that Smart Source, if you might be able to pair that digital with the 2 and a 2, it would make it for free. If you want to use Walgreens Cash, go for it. Okay, so the purex is $1.99. If you might have one of these $5 store register rewards, let's throw it into the mix. Grabbing 3 purexes for $5.97, subtracting that $5 store register reward, pay 97 cents. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash for this one, you can also do that. Now a little itty bitty OLAY deal. OLAY or Old Spice, your choice. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of these body washes for $13 on the nose. We're going to be having a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $11 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per body wash. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, now on the same promotion, we have some Pantene. So if you're going to do the Olay or the Head and Shoulders or this, you got to do them all separate transactions because that $4 register reward will only print once. Grabbing 3 of these Pantenes for $12, we're going to have a 3 off of 3 digital starting on Sunday morning. You'll pay $9 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 each. If you're doing this on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. Now the Head and Shoulders, 2 for $12. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of these. So 2 for $12 for the 2 Head and Shoulders, subtracting a 3 off of 2 digital. You're paying $9 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. If you wish to use Walgreens Cash for this specific breakdown, absolutely go for it. There was an IBOTTA rebate, but I believe it's expiring today, which is the 24th. So sorry, guys. Okay, so let's take a quick look at some honorable mentions. The first is that in the new Big Book of Savings for the month of January, we have $3 off. A lot of these OLAY children and adult supplements are on clearance, so the IVC coupon would get reduced down to the cost, and it would just be a free item. So look for these OLAYs. The DiGiorno is BOGO free. These chips, my God, if you're rich, $3.50 per bag. I don't think so. And then some cheaper pop, either Coca-Cola or Pepsi. And then these chips, I think, are not the worst deal. $2 each per bag for the Doritos or the Lays, and I believe Takis are also part of that promotion. For some cheap K-Cups, the Community for $3.99, very good deal. And the Jif 2 for $5. You know, it used to be 2 for $4 back in the day, but use some Walgreens Cash so you're not crying too much when you purchase this. And then if you're celebrating and you need some spirits, purchase any of these beverages. A Catalina comes out of the machine to send to the manufacturer along with your receipt and the UPC from the box, and you'll get either a $5 rebate back. This is once per household, but you know, a way to save on these sort of beverages. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.